Hey there, greetings everybody. Welcome to This Better Home, a channel for do-it-yourself home projects. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how you can make a homemade walking stick, or at least give you some inspiration. So here is my bad boy. Now, this stick you don't want to use. It's a little small, but really any type of hardwood, 4 or 5 feet in length. You want it to obviously be as straight as possible. It's going to do the job, whether that be cherry or oak or hickory. You can get online and, pick a lot of natural woods and you can finish it yourself. And that's kind of what I did. So I'll put a link in the description below for a similar type of natural walking stick. And basically what you're going to do is to put a cap on the end. You're going to kind of carve or sand the end down just a little bit here. And once this is done, you can put a little cap on it and therefore kind of protecting that bottom from splitting. Now it does split a little bit over time if it kind of digs in, but you can get kind of a feel for what that looks like, and you can just kind of glue it on there. Again, I'll pop some links down below for these little caps or similar caps. So that's kind of what the end looks like. Now this is obviously the finished stick here. So I've got, stain and polyurethane on it, so it's, kind of ready to go. And these basically secure by glue, as I mentioned. You could also put in some finishing nails on the end. They've got a nice hard kind of metal end to it to really provide some finish. Now going up a little bit, I've got some strips of leather that I have kind of bound and wound tightly around it for a kind of a nice place to put your hand. And as far as a handle goes, you can actually pop on a dowel, kind of drill a hole in the middle of one piece and then drill a hole in the middle of the other piece and put this little dowel in, and then essentially place the handle on top of the dowel, and you'll glue both ends of the dowel into the respective ends, and then you can sand around and make that a really nice kind of flush finish, so that there's not a noticeable edge really to the touch. So you can sand that down. Here's a look at the handle itself. We've just got obviously wood, and you can get your sandpaper out, your knife out, and start kind of whittling and sanding that down to the shape that you want it. And you can put these cool little badges on places that you've hiked, for example. And here's another handle type. This happens to be kind of an antler type handle that kind of works in a similar way, or attaches in a similar way. And again, with some of those badges down below. So really a custom kind of cool walking stick, I think. And I've got a really dark kind of stain and finish to it, and then a polyurethane. So it's got a rugged look, totally practical, durable, and has held up well over the many years that I have had it. So that's it. Hopefully this video has helped inspire you to make your own or something similar. If it has, do me a favor, click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.